All right, we cut the base to fit the curved backdrop, and then I made the building material out of the same and cut the roof out of 040 styrene to match the base and to get it vertical. Added the doors, you can see here, and added shades on the inside and added numbers for the spot, as well as adding the sign, and pretty well completed. Had to add a little trim on the ends, and as you can see, it fits pretty snugly to the backdrop that Burr had placed, and we've got room now for a couple of nice spots.